Hey, good evening, everybody. James Rule XRP, October 22nd, 2025. Follow me on X at Rule XRP. I have some new late breaking news, and I have a lot of information to cover in a short video. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and we are going to go ahead and get after it, people. Today's sponsor is SWELL. SWELL is one of my new affiliates, and I'm really excited about this project because they're bringing yield on top of the XRP ledger as well as other ecosystems. And to celebrate the native stablecoin on the XRP ledger, SWELL launches a raffle for RLUSD holders. You collect seed points. The prize pool is $1,000 in RLUSD plus $1,000 in XRP plus 1,000 seeds. Time period is from today through November 12th. And I'm going to leave a copy of all this below. Click on the link below to sign up. The RLUSD raffle is live, and we're proud to support real adoption on the XRP ledger. It talks about the timeline. It talks about how to participate. You hold at least one RLUSD in your XRP wallet, like the Zaman wallet. You register. You have to KYC. You invite friends, and you get 20 seeds for every friend that you invite. It's really exciting because here's the ranks. The number one rank is going to get 300 in XRP, 300 RLUSD, 250 seeds. Rank 2 is going to get 180, 180, 150. And rank 3 is going to get 120, 120, and 100. And they're going to go all the way from 4 to 10 and 11 through 20. It says the raffle isn't just about rewards. By taking part, you're helping RLUSD grow into a stronger, more widely used stablecoin on the XRP ledger. You're also joining SWELL early, where your seed points will later count, get this, towards better yields, bonuses, and upcoming airdrops as the platform develops. Click on the link below, sign up, get your own referral code, and make some money, people. Get excited. All right, crypto numbers. We're looking at 3.69 trillion. The market is down 2.1% 24 hours. Bitcoin is down to 107,000. Ethereum's down to 3,700. XRP, yes, it's $2.34, people. The volatility happens in crypto, and you just have to be patient. If you have a little bit of green hanging over on the side, it might be an opportunity. It might dip lower. It might go up to 250 tomorrow. Nobody knows. This is the mysterious facts about cryptocurrency is the current volatility. We're still the 1%ers. The rest of the world is finally starting to get some breadcrumbs and starting to see what we've been investing in for years. Okay, so this guy asked Witzewin. He is a developer of the Zaman wallet, XRPL, and Zahal. He said, hey, Witzewin, any advice to users who are switching the device they use for the Zaman app interface? So if you're getting a brand new phone and you currently have the Zaman wallet on your current phone, you have to reinstall Zaman on the new phone, and you have to enter your recovery phrases or your recovery numbers. Here's what Witzewin, I think it's Witzewin. He's from the Netherlands. I think it's Witzewin. I'm sorry if I butchered it, Witze. Number one, keep your old device available. Don't wipe it out, etc., till everything is confirmed working on the new device. So don't blow out your old phone until everything is working on your new phone. Fresh install of Zaman on the new device, importing accounts using your secret numbers. When you set up cold wallets, you usually write down a series of words as the recovery phrases. Well, in the Zaman wallet app, you're going to write down a series of numbers, A through H, I believe, 6 numbers per line. They're your unique numbers in that order, and those are your recovery secret phrases. If you don't have access to secrets anymore, rekey using the old device to new key to be imported on the new device. I know it's confusing. There's a lot of steps you have to go through to make that happen. Never ask for help on social media, and do not trust social media. Support is available in the app and can only there be trusted. So never ask for help on social media, because you're going to get a fake Coinbase help desk, a fake Zaman help desk, a fake Ledger wallet, a fake LiPal wallet, a fake whoever. Because these scammers are saying, sure, I see this, and there's bots out there that are trying to entice you into doing something you shouldn't do. Let's go. All right, Ripple X, compliance handled, speed unlocked. Braille XYZ at Braille_XYZ, create your own stablecoin, has integrated the XRP ledger to solve the biggest payment pain point, moving regulated value easily. Now businesses can issue USD-backed stablecoins, settle in RLUSD, and use the XRP ledger's built-in authorized trust lines and compliance features all through the same API. This is very exciting. Organizations are finally starting to wake up and build, and the Genius Act is good in the United States. Stable coins, all the above, all these wonderful things are happening. Here is Braille_XYZ. I'll leave a copy of everything below. Now, here's the big news of the day. T. Rowe Price files to launch active crypto ETF in a strategic pivot. Listen to this. The $1.8 trillion mutual fund giant is seeking SEC approval for its first crypto ETF, marking a bold move into digital assets. So you got Fidelity Digital, you got T. Rowe Price, and they have submitted a form to the SEC today. The T. Rowe Price Active Crypto ETF. It is a Form S1 registration. And I went in here and let's search for XRP. And XRP in this document is mentioned 36 times. I repeat, XRP is mentioned 36 times. Let me go back here. Okay. Here's the main line. This shows all the digital assets that are most likely going to be included in the ETF. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Litecoin, DOT, Dogecoin, HBAR, Bitcoin Cash, Link, Lumen, and Shiba Inu. See, I don't mess with the dog coins anymore. I guess all the cool kids mess with the doggies now. I don't do it. But if we go down here and click on the next tab, look how many times XRP Ledger Blockchain. Look at all the little XRPs bouncing around in yellow. And like I said, there's 36 mentions of XRP in this documentation. People, get excited. Andreessen Horowitz, who goes by @16Z Crypto on X, gets out the State of Crypto 2025 presentation. I'm going to leave a link to it below. It has a slideshow here. State of Crypto 2025, the year crypto went mainstream, people. And here are the topics. I'm not going to go through each slide, but it says the crypto market is big and growing. 2025, the year of institutional adoption. Stablecoins have gone mainstream. The world is coming on chain. Infrastructure is almost ready for prime time. AI and crypto are converging. The crypto industry in America is stronger than ever, introducing the new State of Crypto dashboard and what's next for crypto. And I'm going to go through these slides on my off time. And if there's anything really important that I need to share with you guys and gals, I'll come back to it and share it with you. But it gives all kind of charts. It shows all the major companies. It shows the growth. It shows stable coins. It shows active users. It's just amazing. All of the different companies that are starting to embrace crypto. Circle, Robinhood, BlackRock, Fidelity, Stripe, Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, Revolut, Shopify, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley. They're coming around, people. Okay. Ripple SWELL is taking place the first week of November, next month, a couple of weeks away. And they have updated their list of speakers on the Ripple SWELL event page. And we're briefly going to scroll down, and I'm going to highlight the ones that I see are new. And if I miss some, I apologize. So you got NASDAQ, you got Ripple, you got BNY, you got David Schwartz, you got Richie Torres. He was added. Representative out of New York. Sandy Call, Franklin Templeton. You got Ryan Rugg with Citi. Maxwell Stein with BlackRock. Cynthia Lowe Bessett with Fidelity. And then we got Bitwise Management. And now we got Robinhood and Scott Lucas with JP Morgan. And Hidden Road Gemini is going to be there. You know, the Gemini just came out with the XRP MasterCard. You got CME Group, Moody Investors, State Street Management. You got Aave Labs, Ripple, DBS Bank, XTX Markets. You got Ashish Birla, who is now the CEO of Evernorth. You got Coinbase, Chief Information Security Officer at Coinbase, Binomial, Canary Capital, the European Parliament, Ripple, Blockchain Association, OKX, B2C2, Ripple, Amina Bank, CoinDesk, Chainalysis. These are all the big players, people, and they're going to be in New York. And here's Elliptic, and here's Schumann Financial, CoinDesk. I mean, MoonPay, Ripple, Duke University. I mean, it is going to be packed. This 2-day event is going to be packed with all kind of exciting things discussed. You know, all these major players are beginning to incorporate blockchain technology into their infrastructure. So it's really exciting. I'm really curious to see some of the highlights from this event and what's going to be explained during the event. Joel Katz Swartz. He is the current CTO at Ripple. He is now on the board of directors at Evernorth. He gets this out there, and I get this out there all the time because you have to be very careful. Don't trust an email, a text message, a phone call, social media post, YouTube post in the comments. Trust no one. He says huge increase in phishing emails, claiming hardware wallet security upgrades or verification processes. Ignore any such messages you receive unless you can independently confirm them, and never enter a hardware wallet seed phrase into anything other than the hardware wallet. Whenever you set up a hardware wallet, you're going to enter your seed. You're going to write down your seed phrases. When you have to recover it, you're going to recover it into the wallet. Your crypto wallets on the blockchain never leave the blockchain. These devices that you set up are the bridge to get you from your crypto on the blockchain to an exchange, or your crypto on an exchange to your wallet. So there's a lot to learn, and if you're new to this space, get ready to put on your thinking hats and get ready to go to class and crypto class and all that good stuff, because this is a learning process, and there's a lot of people coming into this space every day, and I'm just so excited for everybody, especially all the newbies out there that are asking me all the basic questions, and there's no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to crypto, because you're responsible for your actions. And don't forget to subscribe. The James Rule Crypto Show, Wednesday night. It's getting a little bit cooler here in Texas, so I love this nice, cool, crisp weather. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget, I told you so.